Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and unblock camera on Google Meet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. So for that matter, let's say you have joined a particular meeting on your Google Meet and suddenly the camera of your laptop or the microphone cannot be accessed. So for that matter, what you can do is you can simply gonna go to this little icon beside your Google Meet link, right? Tap on it, and now it will show you this option called camera, microphone, and this reset permission site. If your camera is turned off, simply like that, you won't be able to get access. If that is turned off, that means your camera is blocked. You can go ahead, do the same to your microphone. Tap on this, now the microphone is turned on, and tap on this, now the camera is turned on. And then you're gonna go back and tap on this icon over here afterwards. Now you can see the camera is also turned on for you. You can simply tap on it. Now it's up to you if you want to turn it off or turn it on. It won't be turned off or turned on by your window itself. That is how we can solve it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.